Robinhood's error code 503, or Service Unavailable, means the platform's server is temporarily unable to handle your request. As of February 2026, while less frequent than in the past, it still pops up, especially during peak trading times or volatile market events. It's essentially Robinhood's way of saying, hold on, we're overloaded. This isn't usually a problem on your end, but rather a temporary hiccup on Robinhood's servers due to maintenance, unexpected outages, or a surge in user activity. Recent improvements like Resilient Mode, which reroutes traffic dynamically during overloads, have helped, but the issue hasn't been completely eradicated. Historically, major outages have even led to user lawsuits and regulatory scrutiny. Knowing that it's often a temporary server-side issue is the first step to resolving the problem. When you encounter Error 503 on Robinhood, don't panic. First, simply refresh the app or web page. It might be a fleeting issue. Next, verify your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. If that doesn't work, Robinhood suggests clearing your app's cache or switching to a different network, like from Wi-Fi to cellular, or vice versa. Since the error usually stems from Robinhood's servers, patience is key. Check Robinhood's social media or down detector to see if others are reporting similar issues, which would confirm a broader outage. While you wait, consider setting price alerts on other platforms if the market activity is critical. The good news is that Robinhood's error handling has improved, often providing estimated resolution times in pop-up notifications. Remember, Robinhood is working to improve stability and minimize these disruptions.